Hello everyone, today I will show you some pictures regarding Porsche 918 Spyder from Revell. Unfortunately there won't be any full build as I lost all of my recordings due to hitting Ctrl+Z once files were moved from my phone to laptop. No software recovery help, so I was just left with a little content to use. This model kit is labeled as Level 4, which means that there are more than 100 parts to work on, and that seems to be true as I felt that I spent much more time on parts preparation in comparison to Level 3. In this project I used 1500 black primer, GX204 metallic blue and GX100 as a clear coat. I even tried some weathering with clear colors, but I need some time to figure it out how to do this the right way. As engine is completely covered with chassis, I wasn't afraid to try it. If it comes to an interior, there is a really nice paint which imitates aluminium nicely, and it is called Previous Silver from Mr. Hobby. Along with semi-black, I guess looks quite nice. Chassis was polished mechanically using a grinder with a woolen mandrel with just two compounds from Tamiya, fine and finish. Okay, so the real Porsche 918 Spyder is a plug-in hybrid vehicle and its power comes from three engines, one V8 and two electric ones delivering 887 horsepower, and catapult the two-seater to 100 km per hour in 2.6 seconds. From the chassis through to the bodywork, the Porsche 918 Spyder is built from carbon fiber, and on the road it stands on 20-inch aluminium wheels at the front and 21-inch rims at the rear. Okay, so that's it. I will probably take 917K from Fujimi as the next project and try not to lose any recordings. Cheers!